Are you thinking about starting your own faceless YouTube channel? If so, you're in the right place. MoneyMac, the monetizing monkey, helped create the upcoming video to explain how to use AI without getting flagged as spam on YouTube. MoneyMac wants to make sure you don't work hard to grow your faceless channel and wind up getting completely demonetized. Seriously, who wants that, right? We've included the secret sauce you must know to safeguard your YouTube channel. Watch till the end for a free checklist. Ever dreamed of a faceless YouTube channel bringing in passive income? Well, that dream just hit a brick wall. In 2026, YouTube purged millions of AI-generated videos, making it clear the era of lazy, automated content farms is officially over. But this isn't the end for faceless channels. It's an evolution. If you want to build a sustainable brand today, you can't just be a content producer. You need to be a digital strategist. First, you have to stop thinking like a template factory. YouTube's new AI scanners are smart. They don't just look for reused content. They flag channels that use the same pacing, transitions, and structure in every video. It screams mass production. The only way to survive is to build a real brand. Add your unique perspective, break your own patterns, and make it obvious that a human is steering the ship. Next, understand that AdSense is not your business model, it's a distribution tool. Relying only on ad revenue is like building your house on rented land. The top creators use YouTube to funnel their audience into an ecosystem they actually own. This means diving into high-commission affiliate marketing, selling your own digital products like guides or templates, and building an email list so you can always reach your audience. This is how you create a stable, high-income business, not just a volatile channel. So how do you use AI without getting flagged? Adopt the assistant model, not the engine model. Don't let AI run the whole show. Use it to help you, not replace you. Get AI to do your research and draft a script, but you must be the one to edit it, to humanize it, and inject your unique voice. When it comes to editing, use AI for visuals, but manually add pattern interrupts every 5 to 7 seconds. A quick zoom, a sound effect, a text pop-up, anything to break the pattern and keep viewers engaged. This proves your content isn't just another robotic PowerPoint slideshow, ready for the step-by-step blueprint. Let's start with pre-production. Choose a niche where people are actively spending money to solve a problem. Think AI tutorials, finance and side hustles, or even high-engagement mystery and horror stories. For production, match your format to your niche. You could use AI animation tools like Midjourney, a classic stock footage and voiceover combo with 11 Labs, or kinetic topography with Canva to create engaging explainers. Now for channel optimization. It's more than just keywords. Go to your channel settings and use a tool like Rapid Tags to fill all 500 characters of your channel tags with relevant keywords. And here's a huge one. Enable automatic dubbing in YouTube Studio. Translating your content instantly expands your global reach. Here's the secret sauce for post-production. When you link to your other videos, don't use a direct video link. Instead, link to a playlist. This hijacks the up next sidebar, forcing the algorithm to recommend more of your content. And please, A or B test your thumbnails. A great video with a bad thumbnail is practically invisible. Use a thumbnail testing site to see what gets the most clicks. Finally, let's talk about protecting your channel. To avoid being flagged as a spammy content farm, limit yourself to 3 high-quality uploads per week. Quality over quantity is the new rule. Also, regularly check that all the links in your video descriptions are working. Broken links can get you flagged as a scam. And when you upload, YouTube will ask if your content is altered. Since you're creating original scripts and narratives, the answer is no. That setting is for deceptive deepfakes, not creative AI use. The lazy AI era is over, but the smart creator era is just beginning. By building a true brand with a human touch, you're not just surviving the algorithm, you're thriving because of it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more strategies to future-proof your channel. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more strategies to future-proof your channel. Comment free in the comments for your free Faceless YouTube channel starter checklist. See ya next time.